Alright, and welcome back to Learning to Draw, episode 13, where we will be doing lesson 17 of You Can Draw in 30 Days, Rippling Flag. We're going to be skipping over lesson 16 because it is just a slight continuation over the previous lesson by adding lines to the bottom of a contour circle, or tube rather, in order to make a wave. So with this, let's begin. So we're going to want to start with making a flagpole, and I am just going to use a pencil as a semi-straight edge and just kind of zip down two lines and a nice little circle on the top. So to make it ripple, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to start right about here, and we're just going to kind of draw several ovals onto each other. And we're actually going to want to have them connected at one point. So up here, what we'll do is we'll start over here and we'll do another one. This way they don't actually have to connect like that. Actually, that one's a little bit much. There we go. And then down here again, and we will do, let's say, 4, maybe 5. So again, down, and then from up here, one more, let's make it a little bit bigger and get it a little farther over. We're going to be doing a lot of erasing in this anyway, so. And then a final one where we aren't actually going to complete it, we're just going to circle it out. Okay, with that, what we will do is we will draw several lines just going straight down, here, here, and all the little intersections here and here. Now it's time to erase what we don't need. So we don't need this line, we don't need this line, and we're just going to, as you can see, every other one, and you see we get a nice little ripple effect. Erase up here, and see, there we go, we got a nice ripple effect. I find drawing the full oval, you don't have to, but I find it helpful. So with this going down, we're going to want them kind of the same length, but we know flags don't always go. Then to give it a little bit of depth, what we want to do is right here on the edges, we want to shoot it down, around that up and shoot it down, and that kind of gives it a little contrast so we can see behind it. And then we will just follow this pattern, so this goes here and connects up over there. Actually, let's do it this way we can get a little more curve. Now in here we want a lot more curve because we want it to look farther away. Curve it out, suck it in, a little bit higher, and we want them a little higher than down there. And then stick it out. So, and instead of a straight line right here, how about we give it a nice curve? There we go. Okay, that is actually all we have to do to give it a ripple. So all we have left to do is the shading. We will want to hit all the dark spots, so right over here, in here, you know, right there, basically wherever there's a little fold. And we'll say our lighting source will be up over here. So with that, I will go ahead and speed through this, and if you followed along, I hope you learned something. Otherwise I hope you've had a wonderful day. Goodbye.